Once Baba Guru Nanak Dev Ji and his companions visited in a village in North India where an honest carpenter Lalo and a rich man named Malik Bhago lived. When people heard the new arrival of Baba Nanak, they became very excited and felt privileged to welcome Babaji. Lalo, the poor but laborious carpenter, came to see Babaji. He wanted to serve Babaji and shown his desire to invite Babaji to his home with true heart. He fell at Guru Nanak Dev Ji's feet and said, "O Babaji, I am honored to get your divine presence. I wish to welcome you at my home and want to serve you." Lalo's words were full of love and devotion. Guruji accepted his invitation and went immediately with him to his place. Lalo and his wife served typical meal of that region with rice, dal and chapatis. The food was very simple but full of love, so Guruji and his companions enjoyed it very much. Guruji blessed Lalo and his wife and left. Lalo and his wife felt very blessed with the visit of such a saint at their home. In the same village, Malik Bhago also lived, who was very rich. He was the governor of that area. He was proud to be very rich. He had organized a huge festival to please the god. He also heard about arrival of Babaji in their village. He sent a messenger to Guru Nanak Ji to request him to join him in the feast at his home. Guruji first denied the messenger, but the messenger became afraid and requested to Guruji, "Babaji, the governor must be angry and might beat me if you won't come along with me to the feast." So Guruji went with him. Guruji at Malik Bhago's house, instead of eating anything, just sat by himself meditating. Malik Bhago felt insulted and got offended. He asked the Guru angrily, "Babaji, why haven't you eaten any of this food? You had eaten at the house of a low-caste carpenter, but not mine. My food is most exotic, delicious and expensive. Why won't you eat it?" Guru Nanak Dev Ji replied, "I will show you why." He then asked someone to bring some of the left food from Lalo's home. When the food arrived, Guruji took a chapati from Lalo's house in one of his hands and a chapati from Malik Bhago's feast in the other hand. He started squeezing the chapatis and something happened that was really amazing for everyone. Out of the Lalo's chapati, milk came out. It was a miracle. But out of Malik Bhago's chapati dropped blood. Everyone was shocked. Malik Bhago asked with surprise, "Baba, what does this prove?" Guruji patiently replied, "Lalo's food dropped the milk because it contained harvest of a poor, and there was Lalo's wife's love and kindness while cooking and serving the food." Guruji continued, "And your food dropped blood because there was hate of your servants for you while cooking food. They are sad and feel pain with the way you treat them. Only food that is made with love is truly good for a human body." Guruji continued, "The food contains good or bad energy in it depending on the mentality of the person cooking it. If someone cooks and feed with love, then food contains good energy. Whereas the food cooked under pressure and sorrow and served without love contains bad energy." Malik Bhago felt in the feet of Guru Nanak Ji and requested him to forgive him. He became a student of Guru Nanak now. He started to love others and became a fair man. My dear brothers and sisters, the moral of the story is, hating people all year and loving others just once does not make God happy. To get love from others and God, one should be fair from his heart for everyone and should give respect to all. I hope you learn something from this inspirational story of Baba Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.